Hi guys, sitting in the car, Nanny's visiting her friend, so I'm going to do this one that I picked up in a charity shop only a few days ago. Woodcraft construction kit, snake. I've put a cover down over the seats because you tend to get little splinters and stuff off of these wooden kits. Oh, pulling apart. Cost me £1.99. That blue label looks like St. Peter's Hospice. That's where those blue labels come from. Oh, that's not very clear. The writing's there, but it's just a bit faded. It'll be the usual thing. Go from number 1 to number 1, number 2 to number 2. 1 on the end of the tail. That looks like 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 40. Okay, I think we've more or less got the idea. But this looks like this one is falling apart. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.